You are going in your room. You, get there. You get up. You go away. Get up the bed, now!
Single parenting can be tough but rewarding. Here are some simple tips. Spend quality time. Even with a busy schedule, make sure to spend quality time together, whether it's reading, playing, or just talking. These moments strengthen your bond. Encourage independence. Give your kids age-appropriate tasks, like making their bed or packing their school bags. This teaches responsibility and self-confidence. Promote open communication. Encourage your kids to express their emotions openly. Let them know it's okay to feel sad, angry, or frustrated, and listen to them without judgment. Be flexible. Single parenting often requires flexibility. Be prepared for plans to change and stay adaptable to your child's needs. Parenting is a journey. Enjoy every moment and remember that your love matters most. Like and follow us for more parenting tips.